In Lesson 2, we learned how to say, it is. But do we say, it is apple, or it is an apple? Today, we are talking about articles, a, an, and the. These small words are very important for making your English sound natural. Let's learn the simple rules to use them correctly every time, plus a secret rule, when to use no article at all. These small words are the glue of English. Let's learn how to use them perfectly.
We use a and an when we talk about one thing that is not specific. It's just one of many. The choice between a and an depends entirely on the sound of the first letter of the next word. Use a before a consonant sound, B, C, D, F, G, etc. Repeat. A house, a tomato, a big elephant. Use an before a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U. Repeat. An idea, an umbrella, an old house. Pro tip, it is the sound that matters. For example, we say an hour because the H is silent and we hear the vowel O. Section 2. When to use the. Now, let's talk about the. We call this the definite article because it defines exactly which thing we are talking about.
We use the in 3 situations. Specific things. Give me the red pen. Not any pen, just the red one. Second mention. I saw a movie. The movie was funny. We use the because we already mentioned it. Unique things. Things where there is only one in the world. The sun, the moon, or the president.
This is a part many students forget. Sometimes we use nothing. We usually use no article for plural things in general. I like dogs, not the dogs or a dogs. Proper names. I live in London, not the London. Languages and subjects. I speak English, or I study math. Let's compare them. Listen closely. I want a sandwich. Any sandwich is fine. I'm just hungry. I want the sandwich on the plate. Only that specific one. I like sandwiches. No article. I like all sandwiches in general. Let's test your brain. I will give you a sentence. You choose a, an, the, or nothing. Number 1. She is eating orange. The answer is an. She is eating an orange. Number 2. Sky is blue today. The answer is the. The sky is blue. There is only one sky. Number 3. I love music. The answer is nothing. I love music. General concept. Number 4. I have a cat. Cat is sleeping. The answer is the. The cat is sleeping. We already mentioned the cat.
You did it! You just mastered one of the trickiest parts of English. Homework time. I want you to write 3 things in the comments. Use no article, I like pizza. I will check your work. If this video helped you, please click the like button and share it with a friend who is learning English. In Lesson 4, we will learn about singular and plural nouns, how to change one cat into 2 cats. See you in the next lesson.